If you love chili crisp, I'm going to show you how to make a version so good you'll never have to buy it again. This isn't just another recipe, it's a guide on how to combine the flavors you grew up with and the flavors you love now, so you can make your cultural identity a part of your everyday life. We'll start with the holy trinity of Indian cuisine: finely chopped ginger, garlic, and onions. Now let's build the flavor base. The key to a great chili oil is, of course, the chili. To make mine special, I use these 3 varieties I recently got from Jaipur.
I haven't tried this one before, so really have to try them to figure out how hot they are.
This one is just pure heat. This one provides a balanced mix of heat and color. This one is Kashmiri red chili powder, and it offers a vibrant red color and smoky flavors. You don't need all 3, and you can make a delicious layered chili oil with just Kashmiri red chili powder or your go-to chili powder. Add the powders into a heat-proof bowl with some nigella seeds for that nice oniony kick and a little bit of sugar for that classic Indo-Chinese sweet, spicy flavor. Now, while those are slowly getting crispy, let me tell you why this recipe is so important to me. For years, I felt like my cooking was split into 2. I'd make these Indian dishes I grew up eating on weekends, but my quick weekday meals felt generic. They were missing me. Similarly, I'd buy jars of chili crisp, and while I loved them, they tasted like someone else's story. That's what started this whole journey to create a flavor that felt like my own. Okay, our aromatics are now perfectly golden. To give our oil one final layer of authentic Indian flavor, we'll finish it with a quick tadka. You typically see star anise at this stage, but the familiar flavors of garam masala, cinnamon, cardamom, and clove provide a similar flavor profile. And this is a perfect example of what I guide my students through: understanding flavor profile so you can be creative and not just chained to a rigid recipe. Give these spices just a couple of more minutes. And now we're ready to strain these aromatics out and reserve them for later. Now comes the fun part, and this hot oil goes into the bowl of chili powders and sugar. It will splatter, so be careful. Add the crispy bits back in, and just look at that. Vibrant, aromatic, and absolutely delicious on everything. Our Indian chili oil is ready, and it's incredible on its own. But to create that perfect fusion between what was and what is, we're going to use it to build a sauce for my go-to guilty pleasure, peanut butter noodles. In a bowl, we'll combine a few spoonfuls of our new chili oil with the other essential Indo-Chinese flavors: soy sauce for that salty umami, a little bit of rice vinegar for tang, and a touch of honey to balance it all out. I like to top it off with some freshly chopped cilantro, and this right here is the perfect way to celebrate your culture every day, not only on special occasions. And that's the real joy of this kind of cooking: finding ways to make your heritage a seamless part of your daily life. Delicious.